In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the wiper blades on this Dodge Grand Caravan. The procedure for both is exactly the same, however, the driver's side takes a 26-inch wiper blade and the passenger side takes a 20-inch wiper blade. Let's get started. Lift up on the wiper arm, hold on to it, don't let it fall down at this point. You remove the wiper blade depending on which style you have. You may have a cap on it like this one, which you can press on these two tabs and flip up, or it might just already be exposed over here, which is also the case. Regardless, after you remove the cap that you may or may not have, tilt it backwards like this, and there will be a small tab underneath here that you have to press. Once you press on that tab, you should be able to slide the wiper backwards. Now this one, because of the way the cap is designed, it has to slide back over. Usually that is not the case. Regardless, do not let the wiper arm fall at this point. If it goes down and hits the windshield, it will break the glass. So hold on to it the entire time. Now, while still holding on to the wiper arm, take your new wiper blade, slide it over, and this being just the hook style, all you have to do is press it upwards and it should lock into place. Now when you pull down, it should not want to pop off unless you press that little tab at the back. If you have one of these caps, click it on. This is just an extra layer of safety for the wiper blade not to pop off, but also it makes it look nicer. Gently put your wiper blade back down, and you would repeat the same procedure on the passenger side. I always suggest replacing wiper blades in pairs.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.